We are so satisfied to be here. We were so disappointed last year when we didn't reach the Final Four because Budućnost and Vardar was the best in the main round. So we wanted to be here this year, and we're really looking forward. It's fun to have this whole tournament in a Final Four here in Budapest. So I hope there will be a lot of people in the Papalaslo Arena tomorrow, and hopefully 4 good games, 2 tomorrow and 2 on Sunday.
We are playing against Dinamo. What do you think about the Russian handball school and general about Dinamo?
I think they're a good team. They have good individual players. They have good shooters. They are good in the duels, and they run. They're good in duels, both defense and attack. So it will be a tough game tomorrow. But I hope we are ready and well prepared. I think it's important to be ready tomorrow when the game starts and be in the semi-final. Don't focus on Sunday before it's Sunday. It's important to be ready from the start. And of course, I think it's 2 games who really wants to be in the final. So we have to have focus on every ball, and I think that's the main thing tomorrow, to be focused on every situation. And hopefully we will go to the final. Yes, we lost. We had 1 equal game, and then we lost against Vardar. And I think they have been in good shape lately. They played well against Győr, of course, in the quarterfinal. Győr is a good team, and when they beat them out, of course, they are in good shape. And I think it will be a tough game against the game between Budućnost and Vardar tomorrow. But I think Vardar is playing better now than they did in the group. I think tomorrow is a new game. It's a semi-final, and of course, I think both teams wants to go to the final. So I think there will be a tough match, and of course, maybe Vardar will want to play better than they did in the main round and in the group against Budućnost. So I think it's an open game tomorrow, and of course, 2 teams that are good individual players and are tough. So it's a tough game. I think they play tough sometimes. Maybe it's not handball, but as long as they're allowed to, it's difficult to say something about it. So then you have to be smart and maybe stand good in your defense, and you have counter-attacks.